Hello guys, I'm Alan Quiz. To tell you in this tutorial how to go for your custom ringtone on any iPhone device, either it is the latest one or old models. How do you have the custom ringtones? As we know that we have a limited ringtone, otherwise of course we can download and purchase the tones. But how do I have the artificial by your own customized ringtone? Suppose here I have taken one ringtone. See here. Now see. This is Apple's ringtones, but now we have a customized ringtone. So how do you access to especially this kind of the ringtones, especially? So we will have to tap in a setting 2, of course we will come in a sound and haptic, and sound and haptic 2 we would be on a ringtones here. Now how do I import and how do I create a good effective ringtones? So if you would like to create a ringtones, then of course you will have to go for an administration, that is a virtual DJ. It's a totally free. Of course a trial version is available on its official website. You can download. You have to drag a one song here, then of course take here artificial delay and a little bit reverb and take it here effects vocals, and thereupon of course here a little bit of course have the slow sound, especially pitch, and thereupon of course we will have a effective gaining point and kick, along with of course voice a little bit of course we will to have, and thereupon of course we will come in a setting. In setting 2 of course we will click on here in a record mode to mp3 files we would like to have. This is a video file, but of course we will generate mp3 here so that as a ringtone would be created. So let's see, type here TW, and of course this would be on a especially desktop. I have already elected, so don't worry. Now this one I will have. So now we will click on here to actually we would like to have from here to ringtones. So this one from here to actually here, this one we would like to have a ringtone. So let's have that. Just we will start, and here see on this hot cue we will have to elect. So this how do you create these things? I will tell you the and this will be actually big detail, especially long video, but in a short I am telling you, create a hot cue, and thereupon of course two hot cue we have elected. Now we will tap on here record, and let's see. So we have created for 12-second ringtones. Now it's on desktop here, CTW, that's ringtones. Now we would like to import these ringtones. So just we will now here go for an administration, that is especially I'm the 3U tool guys. In 3U tool you will have to come in a ringtone option. Here we will have options to imports, connect to your data cable, and thereupon of course we will try to import. So now see it's imported and TW cam here. So how effectively customize ringtone quickly within a 10 to 5 minutes of course we will have. Now see here, see. So according to your own visualization, create a ringtone on any iPhones. No need to purchase and download any tones. Of course by your own artificial, according to your own way, either it is a movie dialogues, videos and mp3s. For all kind of the things you can convert as mp3 as a ringtone, of course for according to your own bytes, along with of course vocals, spontaneous. Of course you can import by virtue of 3U tool. In 3U tool also we have option here to make according to your actually scaling that, but not required. You will get a much more effective than of this especially virtual DJ. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. Further inquiry of course I have the query below the comments box. Pleasure would be mine to reply your query. How to like this tutorial guys. Drop the comments below the feedbacks especially. So thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time guys. Bye bye.